Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hoyewale, and in this video today I want to narrate the making process of this project. This was work in the workshop, so come with me right now to see how I will be narrating the making process of it step by step. Okay, right now we just get this start. The first thing you need to do in here is just call the pattern, and the pattern is very essential because the pattern is what you're going to use in representing the design on before you've been able to use it to cut your leather. So right now it's out. The next thing you're going to be doing right now is to then come and use this to cut your leathers out. We're going to be using this to cut the leathers out, and at the time we're done, as we've done with this is the leather we're going to be using, and this is going to be positioned on the leather. Watch it the way you're going to be positioning. Make sure the positioning of the both foot rhymes. Especially at the time that we're working with a matte leather. This is a matte leather. There's a matte design on the crescent on the leather. So if you cutting this, make sure you position in a way that the both foot of this project matches each other. So right in there at the point we have this, and then go forward to line it up. The essence of the lining is just for it to be padded, and all the material that we're going to be embedding in the process of forming, then that the lining and the leather is going to cover it up. Coming at this point, this is where we're going to be taping the edges. We're going to be taping the edges of this project. We're taping the edges round. What that is going to do is that we're going to be closing the tips off. Instead of you can decide not to close the tips off, and for the benefit of this project that we're working on, we're going to be closing the tip on, and we're closing it up with the taping leather. We're going to be taping this round right now. So we're taping it round. At the time we tape it round, we get it all folded with a bit of an adhesive, and at the time you're stitching this, make sure you stitch at the tips of the leather. It's very technical to stitch at the tips of the leather, but if you're confident with the machine, then you can stitch with the leather. If you are having issue with the measures, please, there's a video that I have made on this platform that addresses how you can use your machine perfectly. So at the time you've been able to use the machine, try as much as possible to stitch at the edge of your leather cutting. It's all been stitched. At the time you have this stitch there, or the upper is set, just as easy as that. Or the upper is set, you're going to move right out to the So next we're going to be doing right now is then use the sew. We're going to be using a pre-molded sew. She is using a pre-molded sew for this project. So using a pre-molded sew, you're going to be cutting the inner layer that you're going to be using to pad it out. That's what she's currently doing right in there. You're going to cut it out. At the time she cut it out, stick it to a puffy material. After it's been stick to a puffy material, you then move forward to cut it out, cover it up. Covering it up right now. So as time you cover it up with the same, it's highly recommended you use the same leather you use for the inner to cover the sew up. That's what we refer to as an insole. So this is what you're going to use to cover it. At the time you cover it up, then the next thing is to then come over and blast it all together. This is, at this point, we're going to be forming this to shape, so that is the place of lasting. This is going to form its shape, and this to be very sincere, we need a bit of strength, so we need a bit of strength to put all this together and put it to shape, not just to shape, but to put it into accurate size. So after we've been able to put it together, this was not barefoot, but you can use the basic tools to make this together, which these are the blasting plier and some other simple tools in the workshop. You can also use that to clip all this together with ease. So at the time these have been clipped together, you need material for the tips of it. The tips of what that does is that it's going to make the shape, it's going to retain the shape of the shoe at the point at which what this is going to be doing is that it's going to retain the shape at which you've molded it to be. So at the time we put it in it, there are different type of the frosting. We have the wax, we have the board, we have the paper one of it, but in here she is using the wax. She's using the wax to form this to shape. Don't forget this was heated up, so the wax was being activated with the heat, so that is what makes it to be able to form with ease. So you gotta apply gum around this. When you apply gum around this, the applying of gum around this means that you are about to eventually cover it all together. So you apply gum and try to drop it out down gradually. Drop it out gradually, cover up the tips. And can cover all the tips, and the project is set. In here you need a lasting plier too, but she is using everything to barefoot in here. It's using hand to do everything. So, but if you're not comfortable with that, it's highly recommended you can use a elastic plier to get that. So at the time you form it, then the excess down in here needs to be trimmed off. Trim it off. At the time we trim it off, then we are done. Bounding the upper and the sole right now is what is next. As I said earlier, we're going to be using a pre-model sew for this project. So after the gum has been applied to the tool, waiting for time for the monster to incorporate that, then you then bound the upper and the sole together. Bound it together and the sole careful with it to bound it accurately. So the time is bound accurately, then we have a complete project. We're done with it. Right, now you can see quite easy. The next thing is just to do mount pressure, and we're done with this project. We now have a wonderful project right now. Hope you like what you've seen. As you can see, it's quite easy. She was able to make it from A to Z. So I've been able to narrate the making of it. Hope you like it. Give us a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and click on the notification bell for you to be notified on the subsequent upload on this platform. Don't forget, there's a focus of shoemaking on our platform. You want to have the full experience of shoemaking experience at your convenience. Then you can use our website, the schoolofshoemaking.com. You have an access to that. I look forward to have you in our next upload.